Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Gusto ko na, 7:30. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Daghan mo ng mga kids. Last time diri sabi mo, di ba, ma'am? Asa mo ko ban? Wala na? Are you now everybody about to experience the part we're having a sex session? Okay, so we can meet the new friends and create. Everybody about to experience the part we're having a sex session. Okay, so we can meet the new friends and create bonding memories together. Everyone, this is our party of Ate? Ate Hannah. Alright everyone, before we start, please sing a Johnny birthday song to Ate Hannah first. Everyone, ready? One, two, three, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, you know everyone, we're requesting everyone to please stand up for our winning prayer.
I prefer joining a riot. With all of these children.
Lord, if we could, we would fill our hands with all the wonderful things you give us. Then we lift them up and give them back to you. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be. I give them to you, Lord. I give them to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, everything I have, I will give unto you. I will give unto you. I give unto you, Lord. I give unto you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you.
And we are here today, have watched her grow all over the year into a wonderful person. That she is now a new milestone that marks the beginning into a wonderful journey. And now, ladies and gentlemen, they have witnessed her transformation from the time she was born up to this day. They get excited and bring the best of their ate. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and privilege to present to you Ate Hannah!
mo.
Right.
Apel, oy, apel.
Oh, napigan mo rin. Oh. Thank you so much, everyone.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wala, say hi!
Hi! Happy birthday!
Birthday wish mo muna kita. Birthday wish.
Ay, na naman to. Basta ako lang yato na ako.
Long speech, guys. Wala. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday!
Birthday ni!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Wala akong mapalot.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Has! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa wali ka. Kares.
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Te!
Uy, din liquid ako.
I don't even have my own. I'm starving. Come on! Happy house. Congratulations. Wala na.
Kahit ang spaghetti, usawa na ako.
Kamu dapat ni Jay na ta?
Wala lang yung spaghetti. Dali na ta.
Nakuno na siya. Uy.
Beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
The others, they don't like us.
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Alright, listen kids. Okay, sinabi kay group yourself. Paano nga pag last time, okay? Okay, ikaw lang ka. Okay. Game na? Group yourself ha. So, kasi walang kabalawan na. Kabalawan na na? Okay. Alin lang ka? Abilin mo. Okay, masal kasi ate ha. Okay, group yourself. Group yourself into 3. 3. Group yourself into 3. Kasi wala yung pair. Sorry ate. Bakit mo kunin to ni ate? Yay! Okay, again. Group yourself into 4. 4. Yay! Alright, again. Group yourself into 2. Okay, again. Group yourself into 5. 5. Gigislit. Ay, nice tulog. 5. Nice gawa. Okay, again. Group yourself into 6. 6. Alright, again. Group yourself into 5. Sorry, ate. Okay, again. Group yourself into 4. Again. Group yourself into 2. Wow. Again, group yourself into 3. Sorry lang, guys. Isa man siya, 3. Group yourself into 3. yourself into two. Again. Group yourself into. Inosing ka. Ganahin ko pangitawin mo si Ate Hana. Ate Hana is 18 years old. Hindi ka na pagabay. Basta pareha na mo. Ana. Alright. Ha? Or Ana? Ana kagamyan daw. Okay, Jollibee. Please find Ate Hana, Jollibee. And please give it to her. Tubangan ha. While mo dance si Jollibee, alright? Okay? Alright na Jollibee. Pasikati sila Jollibee. Jollibee, ma'am. At ang mga ipakita ng mga dance moves yan na magpalingan. Friends! Sir, apil, sir! Apil!
Okay. One, two, three, smile. Another one. Walkie. One, two, three, smile.
Next is all the kids together with sisters. All the kids, sige na! All the kids and sisters.
One. Ready? For the eye. Okay. Ready? Ready?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile!
One, two, three, smile. Walkie, walkie. One, two, three.
Walkie!
Balik. One person.
Mag-welcome mo lang siya, ma'am.
Oy, parang mag-concert si Jan Jan.
Natabunan siya. Alright, number 1. Sige, sabi ni. Right, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, walk here. Walk here. Ano na yung pinaka-walkie? Walkie. Ay, so, wala pa ko nauman. Wala pa ko nauman. Alright, now, let's say happy birthday, Ate Hannah. Happy birthday! Wala pa. With more energy ha din. Yes, sa pinakalas. Alright? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Now, say a picture, Jollibee. Picture mo because Jollibee have 1 minute lang.
Another one. Close up. One, two, three, smile. Hala, matagap. Okay. Woo! Teka. One, two, three, smile. Hala, brother! Kami tulong. What's up? Ikita ta. One, two, three, smile. Another one. One, two, three, smile. Heart. Okay. Uy, di kabut. Jolly shake. Jolly shake. What's up? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Okay, picture na mo. I didn't. Kiss me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ato ka pikas doon. Wait a. 1, 2, 3. Wait a. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another one. 1, 2, 3, smile. Galit? Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Hana!
Say happy birthday. Ano naman? Say happy birthday. Ay, mababa.
Hanggang sa muli! Paalam!
Happy? Happy?
Boko, di ko ganahan yung pinagpunta.
Cute! Picture rin niya. Wala ka picture. Hiring mo, eh. Pwede ko kumabay. Magpapasal ako. Dili, ma'am! Ay, dili. Ano, ay. Mag-McDo na lang. Ay, ba daw ka ng Netflix at Jollibee? McDo na lang ko. Busita dito ka.
Dahil daan na siya siyang lupot yan. Nakakuha na kami siya.
Dali na, mag-wording na tayo.
Uy, ato ka eh. I-distribute sa Ha?
Dahil, isod ko rin sa ako mga tirins tayo, mga konday. Tube day.
Two ammo crates.
Wala, same lang na.
I don't care.
Uy, di siya bilin man.
Hala, di siya ganahan.
I just want that. No, this is the I already saw.